I bought an OEM SI wing, you guys could see. So we're gonna be throwing this on the cart today. So yeah, I did a spontaneous purchase last week and picked up this OEM SI wing. You guys can see right there. And then where else? It says Honda right here on the lens itself. It is kind of clapped out, like paint wise, but it should be cool. It's gonna look good on the Civic right here. Here, I'm gonna mock it up for you guys. Y'all gonna see. We're gonna be drilling some holes into it, start installing this. I don't think I'm gonna install the this light on yet. I do plan on paint matching it later on, probably around the springtime. So yeah, let's start mocking it up so y'all can see and get the idea. Boom, this is how it looks. So it is gonna look a little off on the car, but it's all right. It's all right. It's gonna be also a little more lower, as you guys could see. I wish it was that high though. It looked pretty hard. I think the EK4 EK3s or whatever from, I don't know if it's Australia, they're that high and more, I don't know how to explain it, but it looks pretty hard though nonetheless. But it's gonna look good with the lip. We should probably paint match those side skirts, but later project. But yeah, let's look at the back shots on this. Pretty aggressive, but yeah, I did say I was gonna be paint matching it probably like around the springtime. I also want to get this the Password and JDM gurney flap right here. It's like carbon, so it should add more of a little motorsport look onto the Civic. But yeah, I don't know what you guys think. We're gonna start drilling holes into this trunk and hope for the best. I'm kind of scared, you know, drilling holes is it's kind of scary, so wish your boy some luck. I'm gonna drill these out here. I'm gonna show y'all. So luckily Honda made a little pinch welds right here, kind of. I don't know if that's what you would want to call them, but can you guys see? There's two spots right here where the wing studs are supposed to go through. You just drill those out. It's same on the other side. The one thing though is this wiring harness. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that out myself and how I'm gonna hook it up. Probably won't hook it up, but yeah, that's pretty much how it's gonna be. I think the third one might possibly be over here for the harness, but we'll see. We're gonna go get the drill bit, the drill itself, start going nah on all these holes. He's gonna hold the camera. Here you go, turbo, take over. All right, fuck you then. So yeah, we're gonna be drilling the holes. You could actually see the holes I was talking about more better on this side. So yeah, it's gonna be these two spots that you're gonna be drilling out, plus a third one maybe, possibly. But yeah, we're gonna start getting into that. Wish me luck. I also put some masking tape on the other side so it won't fuck up my paint, even though my paint's already clapped out. But we're gonna preserve the nice paint at least. All right, first hole. I actually just drilled some tiny ones. Oh, there you go. You guys can see right there. That was scary. We're gonna switch to the bigger drill part. Bigger drill bit. All right, we gave two. Nice. It is on the other side. Definitely fucked up the paint over here, but we'll leave it as is. We're gonna start on the other side now. Start with the small drill bits and then move on to the bigger size. All right, got the nanas in over here. Now it's time for the moment of truth. And my dog's tweaking, bro. Yo, chill, man. Chill. My boy's geeking. All right, let's try to put the wing on now. Let's see how it goes. on the money. Ah, you fucking twisted dog. Alright, wings on. What do we think? Now it's actually on. Looks pretty good. I like it. Gives the car more character, I'd say. But yeah, it's pretty hard. We gotta take those numbers off. We're gonna do those right now. I like. Alright. 2 little teeny weeny holes on each side. Just took the masking tape off. We're gonna put the wing back on. Obviously, we just got to put the nuts on so it could not fly off while I'm driving, you know. I'm gonna look into right now where I'm gonna be drilling this hole right here, or for the third brake light, down over here somewhere. Can you guys see? Down over there. And yes, I am gonna, oh shit, I am gonna put new weather taping strips in the bottom so the water won't leak through. Yeah, just gotta take the old one off. Probably won't do it. Probably not even, I might not even connect the third brake line until I paint match it afterwards. But yeah, let's put it on completely officially now. Boom, we got that Johnny on right there. What you guys think? So yeah, let's look at the side profile again. I think the side profile is probably like my favorite. I was honestly very skeptical about this wing, but honestly I think it looks pretty good. Here, let's go inside the car. Inside old reliable. Let's look at the wing. Ooh, damn. You guys are new to the channel, I got an S2000 cluster. Just wanted to flex that. I'm such a fucking loser for doing that. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I got a nice, you can see the wing very nicely back there. Sticks out a good amount. Same with the outside. And my boy Turbo geeking. What do you gotta say, bro? That's enough of him. Damn. Yeah, I took one number off. But yeah, let's start taking the numbers off too, actually. Alright, final look without the decals and all that. What do we think, guys? It looks really hard, actually. I'm in love with it. We're gonna take it to the canyons maybe soon. See if how much of a difference this makes, because I'm sure it's gonna add a decent bit of downforce. Maybe, I mean, it had no wing to begin with, so it should do a little some. But I'm happy with the results. Just gotta paint match it. I'll do that in the springtime. I'll hook up the third brake light in the springtime as well. I'll add new seals in the bottom. That's about it. We'll see how it does also on the next autocross event in April 13th. On April 13th. So yeah, I'm actually gonna drive it around right now, see how much it does. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think about the install. Is it a cool install or nah? Let me know.